Hello, every single one of you beautiful people. Hope that everything is nice with you today. Today we are gonna go live. We are live at the moment on New York Open. Hope that you are a bit late, New York Open then. But anyways, hope that you are having a good day. Hope that you are in profits. Let's look at some markets. Let's look at some dollar strength, maybe some gold strength, or is it falling? I don't know at the moment. Tesla is continue to fall. Still a green on the day on gold. Oil is still very valid to be trading in half an hour. Other than that, my name is Eivindfx, Forex trader for 8 years. Failing myself through this Forex thing. So let's go. Trading Forex is risky trading. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever's happened in the past does not need to happen in the future. So, I have seen people losing money lately, so just reminder yet again that you need to be sure that you understand the risk. And today's sponsor is not M&M, but that is the sponsor of my tummy. I thought it was a funny one, but yeah, sure, have fun, people. Wrong one. Thank you for passing 5,000, by the way. Thank you. Namaste, sir. So let's go through the markets. What happened? There was CPI a couple of minutes ago. What happened there? It's strong. Oh, it is strong, strong CPI. Boom, boom. That was strong CPI. Wow, okay. 0.9 month of a month. Where's the core? Core is there. 0.6 month of a month. Expected was 0.4. Last one was 0.2. Oh my lordy. Now we are turning into something interesting. That is no longer directly only transitionary. That is interesting. I was eat on live, sorry. And that is my problem, but I need to fix that. Cool. What else? We need to. Yeah, that's a strong CPI. That's a strong CPI, and maybe dollar is having a pullback at the moment for the fun of it, but I think that's gonna go higher. How are you, Mankan? I'm very well. Can you explain this? That this is not transitionary? I can't. Okay. Can you explain this is not transitionary? Because it still persists. It's still going on. It's still continuing. Transitionary is temporarily, and temporarily inflation, at least for now. How long has it been? Is it 6 months? 6 months to 9 months? I can't remember when we started to being this strong. But yeah, CPI has been strong for a very long time now. I would call it a very long time. It's not just one reading, it's not 2 readings, it's many readings now. And those come out monthly. So if you look into the data here, dashboard, just to confirm how long we have been having this strong CPI. We have had strong CPI. We broke out in April. And yeah, look at that. So that is boom, through the roof. We can look at gold. That is always nice. Gold here is going through the roof. I would expect that. I would expect the same thing from oil. There was a small rise there on oil at least. Someone's calling me. I can't take that one today. So okay, interesting. The fact that dollar is reacting to M3 and the sells there. Okay, but I think this is a pullback to go higher again. We see Aussie, Euro having strong pullbacks. We haven't seen the sell-off today yet on Aussie, as in we haven't reached the target, haven't reached the sell entries yet. So I think this is just pullbacks. Pound. Okay, pound is ranking off the correct level to be buying, but I will be surprised if this continues to create dollar weakness, by the way. And if you look into what the expectations for rate hike in July, that just beeped up to 71% chance. And it is the 1 rate hike, it is the 2 rate hikes, and mostly 2 rate hikes that has gained the most. And then the second one is 3 rate hikes, has also gained a lot within the last couple of minutes. So within the last couple of hours. So yeah, that's also going to see change. So maybe tomorrow you see even more change there in the rate hike possibility on the Fed. And I'm just guessing what the Federal Fed General Powell is thinking now. That's another blow to his theory. The other thing is dollar is also Nordea is thinking that euro dollar by 2022, 2023, we can see euro dollar falling to 108. In this kind of a market where where inflation is rising rapidly, that is definitely a strong trade plan from Nordea there. But yeah, I think that is great. So we're only 21 people today. What happened? Did I go live too late? But yeah. So if you have your brothers and sisters coming in today, please bring them in. We're supposed to be 15 or 21. Okay, good. Dollar gives up back. I don't know why, but that's just temporarily though. So if I was to do anything on a euro, I would probably sell it more than anything else. If there was something to do at all. Remember, we have hit target on euro daily at the moment. We are now pulling back to central and M3 for tomorrow. By the way, that's what I'm seeing here. Cool, good. Gold. Not that I am taking any profits there, or I'm not taking any victory there on gold. I'm just stating the facts that gold has hit the weekly take profit. So yeah, sure, have fun. Good on that one. Great. I'm not gonna boom that one. I'm just gonna say currently there is risk both ways at the moment. So yeah, numbers are good for the DXY. I would believe so. Yes. Michael says sell your dollar at 1576. Maybe. I will go through the market one by one in a split second. Okay, good. Sorry if it's making a lot of sound. I'm shaking. What does that mean? That means my diabetes. Sorry. So maybe some sound break. I agree, David. Okay. ASMR. How was it? Good enough? Good enough. S&P made a double top, then made a low. What is your advice to sell? No. I don't give advices though, but I wouldn't sell it. I was long at 83.74, but unsure about the strength of this. I would say that's pretty late, but I can go through oil one by one here. The other thing you need to cover is in a couple of minutes, in 15 minutes, there's going to be supply. The storage numbers for America. And there EIA, crude oil stock exchange, expecting 2.2. If this is higher, that's going to make the oil fall. If this is lower, then oil is going to rise. So higher number, dollar oil bearish. Lower number, higher oil, generally speaking, at least. But yeah, so what can we read out of the daily setups, though? I think that is probably a better one. But you bought 83.70, 83.70, okay. Also, that is your buy price. 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 So everything is like good. 83.70. Yeah, so that is kind of where you should be. A bit high, by the way. A bit high. But yeah. So I think, I don't know what's going to happen next, but you have done what you're supposed to do at least. So it's just up to you to not lose too much money. How was the ASMR? Was it great? Dollar having strong pullbacks. I think just because we are hitting daily targets early. Aussie coming back up again. Did not sell off today this morning at the correct prices. So I'm just expecting this one to be the sell that they have been waiting for, the bears. So I don't know how strong this pullback is gonna be, but I have a mark there at 74. So we shall see if 74 or 73.90, sorry, 74 as well. Maybe might something nice. Euro. I said yesterday to the daily setups, if you want to join in, go to Eivindfx. What's the link there? What's the link to the Eivindfx? There we go. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to give the link to the Discord for those who wants to. Discord. Great. Click save. I was about to click at everyone, but yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there we're gonna trade with me. I said yesterday we're not gonna trade euro dollar. I'm not gonna trade euro dollar tomorrow. And I don't know. I don't know if this is great market conditions. I would just be, well, whatever. So okay, cool. Pound yen. Yen seems to be weakening. But we haven't broken higher or lower on pound yen. Is it breaking the previous high? Not yet. Nathan, I will go through pound dollar. Don't worry. Because if you are a YouTube member, whatever it costs you, $5, $2 a month, I think it is. Like, it's pennies. I will look at your comments first. Aussie yen. Broke. Well, still not a higher high here either. It's a low, yes, but it's not a higher high. It's just coming up to plan B sell. I don't know how plan B sell it is, but at least it goes. CAD yen. Oh lordy. That is now turning bullish on this time frame, I would say. Helping me with some moving averages. That is a higher high that I wanted. So if you're thinking of pullback tomorrow, yep. Yep. Euro yen still subdued, still bearish, by the way. But yeah, great there too. What do I mean by bearish? I mean we're still holding on to that resistance. We have not broken this one. We have not broken this one. So far, it is still bearish and can still continue to fall. GL longs are looking okay at the moment, but I'm tentative again. And yeah, it's way too early. Big Dog says, thanks again, Eivindfx. Now let's make some dollars. David says, gold not gonna go back for a retest for a couple of days. I gotta leave my order in. I used the CAD mate. Alright, okay, we can go through that, don't worry. I'm just wondering, is there any echo or is there like any roomy sound? Because I've taken away some of my paddings. There was a padding here. So I'm just wondering, because the reason why I'm late today is because I have an amazing cleaning lady. Amazing cleaning lady. So we cleaned this room together. And she's so good. So, just want to praise her. She will never know. But anyways. Yeah, good. Yeah, so Urian still bearish. Still bearish. So I'm gonna just put in bearish here. For those who doesn't know, that is bearish. Okay. Going into New Zealand yen, requested by Junior Muzza. What's up? What is happening here is really a sell there or a sell here. Technically, that's most valid. If you're thinking of buying this one, you're still very much in the starting zone, I would say. So maybe. Amr says, ha, as if you were cleaning. Okay. Then I'm gonna prove you wrong. You see what this is? And then I'm gonna, let's see here. See, I cleaned. What happened there though, bro? I think that's the best response I've ever given. So now you saw live that I did it. But yeah. This is like one of those YouTube moments you put into some kind of like all-time best times on stream. I think that was epic. New Zealand yen still bearish. I think the technique can still fall. Hey, bro. How are you? Is that a good angle? Can we do this instead? Sorry, people. It's a bad day today, I guess. And for those who are wondering, those floors are bamboo floors. Maybe it's broken. Oh, I see now why. Okay. The whole footings is not working. Okay, now I click that one. I hope this is good content for you. This is like, oh, this is fantastic. Sorry about the... Yeah, I just need to fix it. There we go. What else can go wrong today, kind of a thing? Speaking of still falling, yeah. This YouTube stream just fell. Okay, cool. New Zealand dollar. requested by was it Bodygun? Yeah, Bodygun. So where do you want this to go, mister? Where do you want this to go? I'm still shaking, so I guess it's still low blood sugar here. I think I had breakfast at like 9 AM. I haven't had time to eat, so anyways. So, New Zealand dollar, what are you doing? Where are we gonna go? Where you wanted to go? I would say New Zealand dollar. I don't have any options. I don't have any trades here because it's just range bound. It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. Maybe we can buy the bottom. But for those who have seen World's, what is it? Highway Rescue from Norway. There's a guy that can't speak English. He speaks English like this. So we're going to have a big crash, and trucks are coming down the mountain, and it's going to be a big crash, and many people can die. So for New Zealand dollar, I think we can have a big crash. Maybe New Zealand dollar goes kaput. Total chaos. Yeah. So I don't see any favorable at the moment. It went down to the same low again at 71 level, still holding it, but I don't feel. Yeah. Sells. Yeah. Yeah. I don't buy the sell option though. At least not now. Maybe after a new lower low. That's pretty low though, but still. The reason why, that is a good sell. Still holding it, but it went up to the same price. That's 100% retracement. I don't like that. And I also seen this price action that buyers are still there. They haven't given up, because if buyers was not there longer, this is what we shall see. And last time we were like up there in the mountains, and was doing some very crazy things. It took 13 days, okay? This one took 21 days, so maybe. But you have to have this lower low situation before you can kind of sell it again. Best live ever, says Jazz. Amber says best happens to best of us. Excellent webinar. Shuran says, seriously, that camera angle was like when I put sell on gold and suddenly dollar CPI comes out. That's so funny. That's the funniest comment today, Shuran. You have the funniest comment today. Dang it. What else? We're supposed to have like great sorter etter endringsdato. And then this is probably the earliest ones. Okay, sorter etter endringsdato again. Maybe not. Or maybe something is grouped and nothing. Okay, good. I can't find the. There we go. Good. Thanks, mate. Yeah. So I will still be cautious about selling it. Well, I guess you can be intrigued to do it. Dollar's still rising, but I would probably look for something on a euro instead to sell, or Aussie. By the way, Aussie is a totally different setup, by the way. So if you can get something there, yeah, probably better. Okay, good. Dollar CAD is falling finally. Harold, are you selling it? No, we have been fighting this one, but yeah, has it finally done what you want to do? It had a big spike there, and then now it's falling. Maybe this is the time. CAD looks so amazing. How is yen doing? How is yen index? Ooh, nice. Ooh la la, ultra la la. I like. So yeah. Hello, Ali. How is your gold trading going? I guess you have made enough to pay for both mentorship and your daily bread and your and your electricity and your internet this month. The sell I wanted on the 1 hour had too much spike on the 1 hour. Yeah, I would agree to that. That's why I don't trade New Zealand. No, trade USD CAD. Mostly because is that the target? That is the target. It's almost a target on Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD. Ooh, okay. Natgas continues to fall, and then we have, it was 1 minute until the. It's not now. I thought it was now. It's in 1 hour until those storage numbers comes out. Heh. NOK dollar, NOK yen still not bullish. Yeah. So what really has happened on the USD yen? I would say that's a potential sell yet again. There is a lucky dog here that we went down to target for the week. Somebody held it back to break even. I would say lucky dog with two tails. I think this can continue to rise, mostly because yen should fall and dollar should rise. That is kind of what I think. And the pullback target is actually 1370 if you are playing the pullback. I have looked at oil earlier, so you can just rewind in this thing. But I have said bye, and now we're just waiting for it to go up to 86, basically. Okay. Theodore says, "Can you sell CAD yen?" Are you out of your mind? Are you okay, Theodore? Theodore, are you okay? That is, yeah, maybe I wouldn't, but sure, have fun with it. And I think you need some kind of reversal, some kind of rejection. I see a potential bullish trend now. That is me, what I see. But yeah, it's at resistance. It had made a lower low. It hasn't reached target. CAD is currently strong. Oil is strong. Yen is weak. So maybe if you get a change tomorrow where CAD is weak and yen is strong, maybe. But yeah, maybe. I wouldn't. But yeah, maybe. Target is hit on gold for this week. Can you sell pound dollar? So, that was the sell, Mr. Michael, yesterday. And that is the buy. So, you choose you. What do you want to do? What do you want to do with the drunken sailor? What do you do with the drunken sailor? So, yeah. It's not like fantastic here, but I guess it is what it is. I hate that song. Today's guessing competition is how much do you think I would make on such a live stream that is today? How much do you think I'll make in ad revenue by hosting this webinar, this live? I got criticized today for exploiting people for money on YouTube, so 0. Actually, I have on the ads actually today, so yeah. Let me see if I can find one for you. That's always nice to give you to give you guys. Is there anything I've had on lately? I haven't had it on for a very long time actually. A lot of them are off. So NFP, which was a very great live, I made 6 subscribers. Oops, I had six subscribers. Jeez. I had 6 subscribers and $3. So if I'm supposed to give away my profits, and then of course YouTube or Google is supposed to have some 40% of that or whatever it is, so I'm left with half a coffee, or is it a third of a coffee, a quarter of a coffee? So yeah, there you go. Yeah, so it's very lucrative to be a YouTuber, by the way, and sit here and talk nonsense. Nah, it's just a kick to whoever thought that I make millions here, or bazillions. Yeah, I can't even pay. What can I pay with? What can I pay with 300 shillings? If I am dirt poor, I don't have a house, I live on the street, and I need food, that is 3 days. So, but I don't live on the streets. I have internet, I have everything else. So, yeah. But I guess you guys are up to it. These pullbacks are strong. So, pound. What's my lessons on pound? I need to probably be more clear about it, but I said yesterday that was the buy zone, 135. Or I said that in another Zoom meeting earlier today, maybe, for those who were there in A1 trading. So good on that one. Good on that one, guys. The other one is, should you sell it again? So, yeah, I guess you can sell it. The reason why dollar is weak now and pound is rising, I believe that could be that we are just even more pricing in the fact that we are going to taper. We're going to increase interest rates. And I think that is someone taking profit to get at a better price. Because now it's more of, can you buy a Coke for 300 shillings? Coke was 1 shilling the other day. How much is it? How much is a Coke in Kenya? I have Carrefour here somewhere. But Jesus. I can't even scroll on my phone anymore. I can go to Carrefour. Carrefour is one of the cheaper brands here. And I search for Cola. Cola, I've already searched for Cola already, by the way. So yeah. There you guys are. $159 for 2 liters. Cola Zero, 159. And a small bottle, 350, is 39 shillings. So for 300 shillings, I can get 4 liters of Coke. Ish. Not even that. A bit less. Maybe 3 liters. So it's a couple of days of consumption of cola. Yeah. My cat is finally strong again. Very interestingly strong, though. Is there a setup there that I didn't see today or something? Because I believe that is just, you know, no, I think this is, yeah. No, I don't believe, yeah. So what is happening right now on CAD? I don't know. Has someone said something? Stock market. Falls on open. Nasdaq is falling today-ish. 10-year T-note is somehow bullish today. US 30 rangy. Someone asked me if you can sell it, and I'm like, no. Don't spend it all at once on cola. No, I won't. I can buy a samosa for it. Samosa is probably like 50. For those who doesn't know, samosa is my life dish. And yes, welcome to food. Welcome to food talk, by the way. I love this. And if you go to Java, they're like this big. And I can't remember how much they cost. I think it's maybe 150 maybe for one. But they're like humongous. And they're delicious. It's fried food, so I will get fat, but I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Hello, Alexander. Oil. I've already covered oil 2 times already, I think it is. I've covered gold a couple of times already. I can give you the brief, so you can go back in the video and see where we're talking about it. I said that that was your buying opportunity. Didn't get it. That was your buying opportunity. Got it. That was your buying opportunity. Got it. And we're going up to 86 something, I think it was earlier. Yeah, something like that. 86.70, I think it is. So yeah. But there is oil inventory in a couple of hours, in an hour. 8:36, by the way. Sorry. Yeah. 86.38. Hello, Murad. Nothing more I have created over for the past few years is a mango smoothie from Java. Oh yeah. And yes, if you're wondering what Java is, that's a restaurant chain here, and it is for the rich and only. Yeah, it is overpriced place. Don't worry. I know this is where white people go. Because it's in the biggest malls in town. And where white people go. Well, yeah, you're late. Yeah, I know. But it's always recorded. So, let's get a flow on then. And then gold. I have said we have reached... this is like the emoji. Has never been better than this emoji right now. Let me see if I can show it for you. This emoji, I've never seen it better than that. That I just did. That emoji. That just happened. Gold is spiking higher. I honestly didn't expect that. Michael says, I was looking to trips to Java Island already. Yeah. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant here. Java's a bit far away, isn't it? Where is Java Island? Maybe it's nice there? Is Java Island nice? Looks nice there. Indonesia. Oh, yeah, okay. That's far. That's far. And yes, I can see me in Kenya. But Java is far, so... couple of hours, I guess, in a flight, probably. Anyways, I will be serious again. Yeah, Murad, what happened to gold? Volko says he is Indonesian, by the way. So everyone just gather up at Volko's place. He has beds and floors and mats to lay on. A samosa is 50 shillings. Yeah, that's why I said that Java is overpriced and only white people go there. But also the 50 shilling samosa is small, much smaller than the Java one. So I say that Java one is much fair value because you get like 2 or 3 times the amount. So it's kind of the same thing, just one bigger one than 3 smaller ones. But yeah, so Freddy, next time you come, can you please come with samosa? So I can test out your best samosa in town. So if that is Dendero town special, you know? Not special. I don't want special samosa, by the way. If you're wondering what special samosa is, that is a samosa is extremely nice, but you don't know what's inside it. You know, there can be any types of meats, it can be any types of spices, it can be any types of whatever. It can be donkey, by the way. It can be horse, not beef. So the best samosas are actually the ones you make yourself because you know that that was at least the right animal that you ate. And then that emoji is... Oops, that was wrong. That was that one. That's the emoji. So yeah. Anyways, let's go back to trading. Aussie dollar is still rising. I will still say that's coming back to this resistance it was supposed to do earlier today, so that's kind of a sell. Euro dollar had a big pullback, now is falling down again as expected. So that was the sell there. Pound dollar was the buy, that was the sell. If you would sell that, yeah, I wouldn't. Maybe you can if you didn't sell that, but it's still a very mediocre trade. Mr. Joshua says real talk there, yeah. And if you go to Nakuru to buy food, and somebody has been convicted, by the way, in court for selling, was it human? Or was it donkey? Or bamboo? One of those meats. In the best soup in town, apparently. The best beef soup in town. So don't go there. And then in Nakuru, they sold yogurt that had no milk culture in it. So it wasn't yogurt, basically. Big up Nakuru. Big up there. Euro New Zealand, still not broken out to the upside or downside. I think that is, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. We can't really do anything about it. New Zealand is still not weak, still not very strong. It's still, well, that is looking like a very nice reversal, but it has been nice reversal for a very long time, around 61.50. So, ciao. My beloved yen pairs are reaching higher. Maybe there's a buy there tomorrow. CAD yen still high. Maybe there's a buy there tomorrow. Euro yen reaching higher now. Looks great. New Zealand yen, yeah. Still a series of lower lows and lower highs. So still not bullish there. Euro Aussie, mate. Waiting for a pullback on gold. Maybe tomorrow take it up to the moon. Bullish buys from December to February. Yeah, that is correct, mate. And then we will do Euro Aussie because someone asked for it. Where are we going, mate? Where do you think it's gonna go? Are you buying or selling here? Xavier, no. Today I am late. Today it was because I cleaned. So I got an amazing cleaning lady. She did a very thorough job. She cleaned all the windows, the walls, the roof, everything, the floor, the shingles, everything. And I cleaned the table and I took away the computer. Literally took away the whole computer. Moved my desk, took away my tripod, my lights and everything. Thorough job. And it took a bit longer than I thought. Okay? I'm sorry, mate. Thank you very much, Xavier. And where Salva is, wherever Salva is, I saw your comment on my other support and resistance video. Thank you very much. So, yeah, I have not changed anything. I'm just late. Sal. Tja. Maybe? I would have a pullback tomorrow at least. It's still a series of higher lows. So maybe if that happens. Sure, next time samosa. And I want the best one in town, bro. If you need to go to like the other side of town to get one, I would love one. And I will share it on Instagram so everyone can see it. Eric says, hi Eivindfx. When are you making a video on how to grow a small account? Eric, since I reached 5,000 subscribers yesterday, I am in the process of setting up a broker account with FX Pro. That will be a broker review of FX Pro, and I think the account size of that will be 250, I think. And I will give away some of the profits if I make profits trading a small account. So that is literally in the making. I just haven't started yet. I haven't uploaded my things to FX Pro yet. So I will do so soon. I will start recording soon. So when? Today or tomorrow. Is that a good answer? Yeah. So yeah, thank you very much. I want you to give away like $50 to some random people. I want you to give away mentorship to someone. I want you to give away daily setup access to someone. But I just remind, well, you're not supposed to have grudge against people. You know, that's not Christian. That's not, you know, godly or anything. But yeah, I'm a hurt child. That's what I am, a bird child. I act throughout life based upon my experiences, mostly the negative ones, and I shy away from the fire. I don't want to get burned again by trying to be nice to someone, giving out a mentorship to someone who is gonna be absolutely ungrateful about it. Will you put it on an on my FX book? Yeah, I guess I can. I just haven't set it up yet. So yeah, I can, I guess. Yeah, I can do that. So that will prove or disprove that my strategy works on $250 account. I am nervous about it, but yeah. The other thing is, I'm not gonna follow my 1% rule. I'm gonna have 2 or 3% because it's so low account size. I can't lose 2.5%, $2.5 per trade because that's just 25 pips. I have to do more than that. So, but yeah, so I will try, and then maybe I will get it to like 500 by the end of it. I don't know how long time I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trade it, but I would love to do it in December, actually, to be honest. Yeah, that's the thing, Xavier. Yeah, yeah, I know, yeah. But I should go through I should survive a bad month, by the way. But yeah. Who called me now? Nobody called me. Only scammers. That's always nice. Someone sold my phone number. Is there anything else then we should talk about? Yeah, okay, cool. It falls. Eurozzy falls. So fun there. Hey. If gold move in November, so can December. Can it follow through? Yeah. Yes, it can. But also, if you start off in December, we can also start out at a sell. So beginning of December can be a sell. So what you really want to see on gold long term here, people, okay? You want to see gold and in this position here. Hope nobody broke anything. You want to see gold starting out at a lower low, like here. That is a good month. The other one, that is December as well. Starting at M2 for the month is what I would prefer. Okay. We can still rise in November and then have a pullback and then rise again, but yeah. Something like that. So I want to have a low to buy at least in gold. And I can't buy gold on my account even, so on my 250 account. So yeah. Great. I think that's that. 21 likes, 42 people at the moment. What is the thing today? Today is that we're gonna meet tonight. We daily setups people. We're gonna set up yen buy trades, I think, and I think that is good enough to what we're seeing on Canadian at the moment. So we're going to set up those. It's only what I think is going to happen in the market, not trading signals whatsoever. But it's a community that we come together, and I love that. Cost you $30 a month for those who joined in the beginning when I opened it up for it. They got paid the first week. So if you join today, I assume you're going to get paid within 7 days through the markets. Depends on your losses, by the way. But sure. Have a great day. See you soon. It's raining cats and dogs at the moment, so my clothes. No, my clothes were drying up and they were dry. Nay. They're living the life of having outside, the life of Kenya. Sawa. Have a good day. And I'm gonna rescue my clothes. Swissy yen sell now. I wouldn't. Anyways, have a good day. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys what's happening here. Can you see the rain? No, you can't see the rain, can you? Like, it's literally just slamming on the door. Have a great day.